Hey guys, today I'm going to give my honest review of these super beautiful velvet Christmas curtains. Right away, the first thing I noticed about these Christmas curtains is just the softness of them. They are velvet. They're very easy to slip right on top of your curtain rod, which I also found to be extremely convenient. No issues there. I right away noticed the material. It was very thick, soft. It does a great job of blocking light out. So if you're going to use these to keep the light out, it does a wonderful job. This stitching is absolutely exquisite as well. And on the back side of the curtain, you're going to see that darker velvet red that doesn't have the designs. You're also going to get a two braided ropes to go ahead and tie these if you wish. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that now. These are just such high quality curtains. Again, super soft. They do a great job of keeping the light out and they just look beautiful. I love these Christmas colors. The gold leaves, they do not disappoint. So if you are looking for go-to Christmas curtains, I highly recommend these.